Yo, what's up? How's it going, guys? First I wanted to apologize about the audio quality that you're getting right now. I don't have a proper mic connected to my camera right now, and so I'm just using the mic inbuilt into the camera, and it's not going to sound very well. I'm going to try my best to fix it in post. And just want as you can get from the title, today we're going to be talking about this building right behind me. So it used to be a security room, but then I kind of just broke down the walls and extended it a little bit, and now I've turned it into kind of an office because we've not had security for like years now, so there's no point. We live in a gated estate anyways. So I mean, so far the only security we have is this cute little guy right here, and her sister who's somewhere hiding somewhere else. But like yeah, I just want to take you guys give you guys a quick tour of the office I've moved into. I'm not 100% done with the place. I want to do a few more things. I want to improve a few more things, but they're not priorities right now. It's really, I'm happy with where it is right now, but I still want to I'll show you guys anyways. You can see what I mean by the little things I just want to kind of fix in this place, okay? Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so we're into the office right now, and first thing I want to show you guys is gonna have to be my shoes right here. It's the first thing that's right there. It's my shoes, so you can focus on them. This isn't where I sleep. Sometimes I sleep here. In fact, most times I sleep here actually. My bedroom's in the house and building, but most times I'm starting to sleep here because I feel more comfortable, you know, just waking up, going straight into work. I mean, one of the first things I do when I wake up is check my YouTube analytics. So like, I just feel more comfortable, you know, going straight to gaming, streaming, and go back to bed, or editing videos or something like that, and just not being too far from the office, because I feel like it just makes me more productive that way. So I have my running shoes here, and then whenever I wake up in the morning, I just wear them, go for a jog, and then come back inside, go back to my room, take a shower, and start my day. That's usually how I start my day most of the time. And yeah, so we've got a toilet right here. It's not completely done. It doesn't have one of the things I'm trying to fix. I'm just going to put something just to cover up that side, so when I have guests over, they can use the toilet. It's not completely done right now. And next we have the couch that converts into a bed. So yes, this is actually where I sleep. When I have guests over, it's a couch. When I'm not using to sleep, it's a couch. And when I want to go to bed, I just extend it out, and then I sleep there. And this is where I chill, watch Netflix on the TV, and yeah, just on my iPad and all stuff. And that's my controller right there. It's wireless controller, Xbox controller. I used to play GTA and some other games in 4K when I'm like just lying down here. This is my mom's laptop. It's usually not here. I'm just helping her fix something. And then this is just like a plain background for video or for pictures. And my sister put this here for her modeling thing, and so I don't really use it, but I hope to use it one day. I mean, it would look really good if this is like a good spot to just sit down here and then chill and then talk and stuff like that. And then moving on, we have the fan, very important piece of item right here, because it gets quite hot in here. And then although we have an air conditioning right here, but like it's not, I can't even leave it on 100% of the time, so it's just usually when I have guests over or late at night. And this is another thing I'm trying to fix. Right now I've just got this cover to cover up the window over here. I'm going to get something else that looks a bit nicer, a lot nicer than just using a rag, so that I don't have people from outside, you know, peeking in and stuff like that. And now we move on to printer. Yes, I have a printer right here. It's a HP printer. It just prints stuff, I don't know, and scans as well, printer scanner. And now just go straight into the setup right here. So this is the entire setup when you first walk in. So as you can see, it's like there's a L-shaped desk, and then there's another desk. This is my very first desk before I got the L-shaped one, and I used to use it in the room, and then I just decided to put it all together over here. And then let me just give you a quick tour. So this is why I add most of the time. This is my own personal style setup. So right here I have an Acer monitor with 60 Hz vertical, and it's on an arm, so that way I can turn it vertically and then keep it like this. This is why I used to read my chat. This is why I used to, when I'm editing, I have like 3. It just helps with multitasking really, pretty much, and it's really useful. This is my main gaming monitor. This is where I do majority of my gaming, editing, and pretty much everything. This is where I do everything. Okay, this is my keyboard. I mean, you guys have seen my setup before, so I'm not going to go too in depth on everything, but if this is the first time, it's my mechanical keyboard, really cheap. That's my mouse, G502, and this is my microphone. Some of you guys have asked about this microphone. It only cost me £50, but it's really good. So if you see my other videos, you can tell how good it sounds. And this is just here to make sure it sticks. The arm I got, it wasn't meant for the microphone, so I had to do this. Use tape to tape it around and stuff like that. And that's just donuts I got from Krispy Kreme because I was craving, and that's my PC right there. Again, before you guys insult me, yes, my cable management is terrible. I know, I just can't be bothered, and because I move things around a lot, I don't want to cable manage when I just know in the next 2 weeks I'm going to change this, I'm going to put this, put that, you know. Just forgive me for that, okay? Please, just no harassment in the comments. This is my ring light. Little tip for you guys. I remember when I was trying to get proper lights, I was really scared about ring lights because I had a smaller ring light and I literally hated how it looks, and I was so worried about getting the ring light. But boy, am I glad I got these. This is actually so good. They're like 18 inches as well, and it's got a mirror. I don't really use the mirror, but if you need to take a look at yourself before you stream or stuff like that, it's right there. And yeah, it's really good for the money. I think it was like 20,000 Naira or something like that. It's really good for them. Don't be scared if you want to get a ring light like this. Just get it. It's really good. Trust me, really good. It brightens up the entire room. Trust me. And yeah, over here we have my router, my car keys, wallet, an Among Us toy or stuff. Look, see, Lou was not the imposter. Yeah. And I didn't buy that actually. We'll get to why I used to make that. I actually made that, but we'll get to that. This is my do-rag. You guys have seen I usually wear a do-rag recently, especially when my hair is looking all doo-doo. Pen, Apple Pencil. This is from my bank. It's really cool what it did. I'm gonna show you guys. See? It's kind of cool. I don't know. I just want to show you guys that from my bank. And this is my 4K 60 Hertz 55 inch. I think it's 50 inches. Actually, it's 50 inches. Yeah, 50-inch display. Fun fact about this: a lot of people don't believe me when I tell them I got it for 95,000 Naira. I will convert this to dollars for those of you who don't know the worth of what I'm talking about. People don't believe it, but literally, I got so lucky. As you can see, it's still kind of new. I still haven't taken off any of these things. I got it like earlier last year and stuff like that. And like it was such a steal. Like 95,000 Naira for a TV like this. It's literally daylight robbery. But I got it a good deal, brand new, not reused, like brand new, and it's insane. Like guys, even for gaming, whenever I'm gaming in 4K, I actually get actual 60 Hertz. There's no delay. The latency on it is very good. It's the best TV I could hope to buy. It's from Brum. If you guys are interested in getting cheap TVs. And then over here we have a secondary setup. This is usually where my babe plays on. It's connected right now. It's not on right now because for some reason I managed to lose the power cable for the monitor, but I'm gonna get another one. But yeah, it's connected to this PC right at the back over here. It's a small PC right there, and it's connected to that. That is not a powerful computer. I'll leave the specs on the screen or in the comments section below. It's not a powerful computer, but it does run every game at 68 FPS pretty much, and low settings or medium settings, you know. So, and this is a 75 Hertz display as well. It's pretty good. It's my second headphones. This used to be my main headphones, but I don't use them anymore. I choose them for this one, and I'll show you guys my main headset. And right now there's no mouse for this because again I'm not really using it just yet, but I'm hoping to get another mouse for it. And right here, this is my 3D printer. I got these to actually make these. By the way, yeah, these are not nano leaves. I actually make them. Like I make them myself. You know, I do all the work, everything. I make them, and I make them at a much cheaper rate than you would get nano leaves, and they look really good. So if you guys are interested, the link to the shop down below. Currently, it's only available in Nigeria. Sorry if there are any foreigners that wanted to get these lovely looking lights at cheaper price. It's only available in Nigeria. But yeah, this is my 3D printer, and it's why I used to make this. Okay, this is is what I used to make it. I have a regular printer and I have a 3D printer. It's currently not like functioning right now. I think I don't know, I'm just having some issues with it, but I'm going to definitely fix it and stuff like that to use it in the future. And this is the turbo mouse pad that came with it. I'm trying to change this. It's dirty and I'm just trying to change it. I'm trying to get better ones to replace it. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. This is usually where I game, stream, watch content, Netflix and chill, you know what I mean? Okay. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, by the way guys, this place is actually for rent. Okay, so I'm actually going to be renting this space out to people if you want, but I'm not going to be renting it per day or per month. I'm actually renting it by the hour because I also want to use this space myself. That's why I'm renting it by the hour and I'm renting at such a cheap price. I'm renting at 2,000 Naira per hour. You can come in here, do whatever you want. AC is going to be on, 24-hour electricity. Come watch anything. We have really fast internet connection. Again, for foreigners it's not really fast, but for Nigerians 20 MB per second unlimited internet connection is pretty fast. You can bring your laptop, bring your PC, bring whatever, come update your games, do whatever you want here pretty much. You have your full-on privacy for as many hours as you pay for. You can use my 144Hz monitor to play. You know, if you've never had a 144Hz monitor and you're thinking about getting one, want to know what it looks like, want to know what the difference is between 60Hz, and by the way, there's a clear difference. It's way better. But yeah, you can do that. You can play whatever games you want to play. I have tons of games. If you want me to download the games before you even get here, I can do that for you. I think I pretty much covered it. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Sorry about the audio again, and yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.